तेरे सिवा कुछ याद नहीं, तेरे सिवा कोई बात नहीं, आंखों में तेरे सपने, होठों पे तेरे नगमे, दिल मेरा लगे कहने, हुई 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 मैं.
It's a Sajid Wajid song called Shairana, and I told him that आप मुझसे क्यों गवा रहे हो, आप आपका टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो. मैं आपको नाम देती हूँ सिंगर्स के, आप उनसे गवाओ, बहुत अच्छा गाएंगे. मैं परेशान 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 परेशान, आतिशे वो कहाँ. मैं परेशान 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 परेशान, रंजिशे है धुआं.
दिल में जागी धड़कन जैसे पहला पहला पानी जैसे, ऐसा छाया मुझ पे जादू, आहा ही ये वो बोली मैं सुबह गा जाना. देखा, it was a nightmare for me. I took at least an hour to get it right. And yeah, finally it happened. But I am not very happy with the result because वो, you know, when you're trying to control your breath and trying to finish it, तो उसमें थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होता है. But thankfully, it was not that bad. If you want to cater something to people, you have to cater original music. Remixes are okay, it's fun, you can dance to them. And some songs are really remixed like twice, thrice.
Even
Right.
though, say, in an album of 8 songs, if there is one remix song, but instead of giving all the marketing push to that remix song, if the marketing push is given to an original song, I mean, both worlds win, right? In that way, the original song gets, you know, its due, and you also get your remix song.
All right, so today I have with me two of the most talented singers that we have, Shalmali and one of my most favorite, Sunidhi Chauhan, joining in. Welcome, welcome. How are you guys doing?
Thank you so much.
Superb.
First of all, I have to congratulate you on Here is Beautiful, which is doing so well ever since it's released. It's just people are liking it for the amazing vibe that it's been giving. You know, the videos looking amazing, the songs doing so well, the lyrics, everything is just, you know, doing so well. What is your, I mean, were you anticipating this kind of a response to the song? Because Shalmali, I mean, let me just start with you, because this is like your baby, literally, you know, because you've literally done everything with this song. So what is it like? Were you expecting this kind of response at all?
Honestly, because it's an English song, I had not set any expectations, and I'm glad I hadn't, because I just wanted to be content with whatever the audience would react to it as. And in that sense, I was already very happy with the process that it had been through. You know,
Yeah.
from having the opportunity to collaborate with so many amazing musicians in order to make this song, and how finally when we got the master, I was just so happy with how it was sounding.
Yeah.
That I just told myself that, you know, that day, that no matter what happens now is only bonus. It's only the cherry on the cake that's already delicious. I'm absolutely overwhelmed with the kind of response that we have gotten so far.
But I don't think it will be harder, because, you know, एक launch होता है. I think the launch has been successful, so I think it's only going to be up and you know, onward from here. So I really hope that's there.
That's really kind of you to say. I hope I can be that person for all my audience.
I will speak to Sunidhi ma'am now. Why this project? Why did you decide to be a part of this song, which, you know, Shalmali has written, and, you know, what was the entire thing like?
You've heard the song, right?
Yeah.
It's Shalmali, right? So why not? I mean, when she approached me with this song first during the lockdown, there was no agenda, there was no release date, there was no plan of releasing it at all.
Yeah.
And this was just a gift to her, from her to her boyfriend, and I was just a part of it. And then a few months later, when she decided to keep the song in her album, in her upcoming English album, which is fully English like, I thought it was a great idea, because, you know, during this time I got to know more about her as a songwriter, as a person who writes the lyrics, and I found that really amazing about her. I think maybe she's a better songwriter than a you know yeah, because मैं तो shock में थी कि ये कैसे हो सकता है. She's a
Yeah.
fantastic singer, and that she's proven to the world. But now there's this hidden side which the world has not seen, and that's even better. So she's a great package, and I was really amazed by her. So I had to say yes to this.
I want to know a few things about your discography over the years. Just a couple of questions about the songs that you all have sung and you've been a part of, and if you could just tell me a little about that. For example, I would want to know a song without which you think that your entire music journey is incomplete without. A song that you've possibly sung and you've been a part of. One song which you feel ki iske bina to I cannot imagine my music career.
For me, Must, the title track for sure. It made me who I am, and it will always remain that song because it is my journey. It is everything. It is me, So yeah, Must would be that track.
Would you mind singing a few lines for us?
Yeah. बहुत सालों के बाद गा रही हूँ आज. तेरे सिवा कुछ याद नहीं, तेरे सिवा कोई बात नहीं, आंखों में तेरे सपने, होठों पे तेरे नगमे, दिल मेरा लगे कहने, हुई 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 मैं. Hey must, must, ho 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 must. Thank you.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! What a song! In fact, I was just listening to the song a couple of days back, and I was like, "What is this song? What is this? What is this song? It's such a brilliant song.
It just takes you on another high."
Yeah, it's crazy but subtle. It's really the inner feeling. It's not out there all the throughout, but
yeah.
Love it. Shalmali, what about you? A song that you think your music journey would be incomplete without?
It'll have to be Main Pareshan, because that's the first time I myself heard myself sing like that. Like, I didn't know that there was this tiny voice inside me that could sing Hindi music and then it would sound like that. Because literally before that, I had not in public sung anything or recorded anything on a microphone in Hindi before Main Pareshan. So, well, I got to know myself because of that song. So I'll sing it then.
Yes.
Because that's what we're doing. नए नए नैना मेरे ढूंढे हैं, दर बदर क्यों तुझे, नए नए मन से ये तकते हैं, इस कदर क्यों मुझे, जरा जरा फूलों पे झड़ने लगा दिल मेरा, जरा जरा कांटों से लगने लगा दिल मेरा, मैं परेशान 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 परेशान, आतिशे वो कहाँ, मैं परेशान 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 परेशान, रंजिशे है धुआं.
Oh my god. Clap, clap, clap. Amazing. Okay. Now, while the world out there, especially in these very tough times, testing times, has been listening to music and, feeling better, especially when there's stress and all of that. While we're listening to your music, we want to know what is it that you listen to when you're stressed?
I listen to just anything. I listen to some new music, maybe something that I've not heard before, just to distract myself. I know these are difficult times and you can get all kinds of thoughts, running through your head. But music in general just keeps me happy and not worried. Doesn't get me worried about anything. So yeah, just anything. Yeah.
Okay.
I generally also like to listen to new music, so I just go on any playlist that, like, I love my R&B now playlist, or anything that just shuffles a lot of music that I haven't heard before.
Yeah.
And then I sort of go and find, like, a lot of music that I saved was from like a shuffled playlist on all your DSPs that exist. And Daniel Caesar, her are like my favorite artists now because I found them on those playlists.
Interesting.
Oh, that's how you found them, huh? Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So because you both of you have had some amazing music, what is the one particular song that you feel was really difficult while you were singing it, while the process of it, or just anything? I think you guys would know better how you would judge that, but any song that you perhaps feel that was a very difficult song now that you look back at it.
I know mine. Mine was pretty out there, straightforward. I took 3 days to record it. I even told Sajid Bhai that it's a Sajid Wajid song called Shairana. And I told him, "Dar, आप मुझसे क्यों गवा रहे हो? आप अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो. मैं आपको नाम देती हूँ सिंगर्स के, आप उनसे गवाओ, बहुत अच्छा गाएंगे." But Sajid Bhai was like, "नहीं, तू गाएगी, तू फिर से आएगी कल और गाएगी."
Sunidhi ma'am, a difficult song from your discography.
I do have a difficult song to share, but if only if you promise me that you won't ask me to sing.
Okay. We have done this.
So this was Dil Mein Jagi Dhadkan Aise. Why? Because it was in one breath. The whole mukhra was just in one breath. And M.M. Kareem sir wanted it to be in one breath. He didn't want me to punch. And there were so many lyrics with all the hers in it where you lose breath, in those syllables. And it was a nightmare for me. I took at least an hour to get it right. And finally it happened. But I'm not very, very happy with the result because when you're trying to control your breath and trying to finish it, so usme thoda upar niche hota hai. But thankfully, it was not that bad. Eventually the song did very well, but I could have definitely done it better.
I mean, I do love that song. I mean, of course, the artist would definitely feel this way, but would you not sing even one line for us?
Chalo, theek hai. I'll sing it. Okay. I'll have to really breathe, take a deep breath.
Yes.
Deep breath. Can you hear me?
Yes.
दिल में जागी धड़कन ऐसे पहला पहला पानी जैसे ऐसा छाया मुझ पे जादू ही है बोली मैं सब जाना गाना बना सोना पाना किसकी निगाहों से बदली ज़मीं आसमां ये जहां मुझ में नाचे गाए घूमे झूमे दिल में जागी धड़कन ऐसे पहला पहला पानी जैसे ऐसा छाया मुझ पे जादू ही है बोली मैं सुबह जाना देखो
Like at the end.
If you noticed, after the cross line there was another line added. And he was so adamant. I know you can do it.
Lastly, I want to know from the both of you, because before my internet dies again, I just want to know, there are a lot of remixes which are being done now, where of course the old songs are taken, a lot of your songs also, like Sunidhi ma'am, for that matter, and just a lot of old songs are used, rehashed and now used in films and all of that. What do you feel about it? Are you okay with those things, with the fact that, I mean, there are a couple of people from the industry as well who've spoken about the lack of originality, and they say that we would want more original songs to be there and not just use the old songs which have already done so well. but there are also people who feel that it's completely okay to reuse rather the songs. What do you think about this, both of you?
I am not totally for remixes because I think original music has to come out. That's the only way. If you want to cater something to people, you have to cater original music. Remixes are okay; it's fun. You can dance to them, and some songs are really remixed like twice, thrice. It's not a bad idea as long as it's done tastefully. What goes wrong is most of the people, they just screw it up. Sorry for my language, but they just don't make the most out of doing a remix. It's not tasteful enough. But I still vouch for original music through and through.
Okay.
I feel like there is actually a lot of original music that's also coming out.
Yeah.
But the kind of push that is given to a remix song almost like makes one believe that there is no original music coming out.
Mhm.
And it shouldn't probably be like that. Like even though, say, in an album of 8 songs, if there is one remix song, but instead of giving all the marketing push to that remix song, if the marketing push is given to an original song, I mean, both worlds win, right? In that way, the original song gets, its due, and you also get your remix song. So although I really feel like both exist, the way the campaigns are run these days, it's just like you get the idea that only remixes are happening, which probably is not the best thing.
Yeah, I think that's really fair and very well put. All right, so it was so nice talking to the both of you. That sadly brings us to the end of it. I think my internet is suddenly fine now because we have to wrap up the interview. Amazing. But like I said, I absolutely love the song, and I'm really happy that it's doing so well and it's connecting with people out there. And I'm really hoping that Shalmali, for the other songs as well, I would want to wish you all the very best for that. And for Sunidhi ma'am, I'd really hope to see more of your amazing music and for you to also be featured in those music videos. Yeah, I mean, like,
Yes,
what is
that's
the thing like?
you have to feature in every video. You have to promise us that.
Promise. You're gonna watch a lot of me, bore ho jaoge.
Not
Kabhi
happening.
nahi.
Not happening. Like Shalmali,
Yeah,
and
that's
I'm
something
like,
that I will. Thank you so much. No, that's something I will make sure that it's done. Firstly, I will definitely keep coming out with some, non-film songs, and I'll make sure that I'm in the video.
yes.
That's it.
Yes. Win-win for us, I think. That's all we want. And also for us to keep talking about the amazing, crazy music that, that's been keeping us tripping all this while. Thank you so much, Shalmali and Sunidhi ma'am. It was so nice talking to you, and all the very best for everything else that we've been seeing you doing.
All right,
Thank you
thanks
so
so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye.